So, welcome in the city center of Utrecht. A lot of bicycles here. Here in this city center you always have to be prepared for cyclists quick crossing the road or students running off. But it's a Saturday morning, so I think a lot of the students partied last night and they are not on the streets right now. So you see the streets are quite empty. There's not really much going on. It's because here in Utrecht a lot of students live. They're waiting, it's good. She is waiting too. Thank you. Look at the cyclist here on the right. She has a golden tring. They call that to warn the other people. Like, I'm coming. But she has a golden one in the back. We're not stopping for the red light, so she won't pass us anymore. We can't see it. I'm sorry. I almost wanted to go straight on here, because it's like you're doing that automatically. Almost forgot that I had to turn right here. And the red light was the right light. The stop light for turning right was red. And the other one's white. Or green. However you want to call it. You saw the white bus turning right on the crossroads there. It's a colleague of mine. Let's see if we will meet him at the next stop sign. You saw the bag from the girl passing? It said, I'm Dutch, but no, I don't live in Amsterdam. There actually are people in the Netherlands that don't live in Amsterdam. She's a nice bike. Very, very beautiful. with a height of 3.70 meters. There's no sign here, so this has to be at least 4 meters. We can go underneath this tunnel. Normally when there's no sign at a tunnel that gives the height, it is at least 4 meters. Or they have stolen the sign. Then you're screwed. This is our lucky day! This stop sign always is red. So you remember my colleague? Wave at him. He doesn't see me. Okay. Please don't turn red. Here's a camera with my long bus. When this turns red, please stay green. Okay, no ticket from me, baby. Oh no, plastic. Here is a bridge, and with a bus or truck it's always a little tricky. Look at the road signs on the right side. They are coming closer and closer to the white line. So with a bus you always have to stay a little left, so there's enough place for you on the right side. If you know what I mean. You see that underneath the yellow sign? I don't know how it's called. Leave it in the comments. I have to go left, around it, and then I can come back. Because of the bridge, the lane is getting a little bit smaller. Den Haag. Only one lane, but it seems possible. There are big road constructions work on the highway here. And I don't really need that highway today. I only need to come up here for 200 meters and then go from the highway again to another one. So I hoped here it was possible to turn on the highway for 200 meters. But I think you will see. Oi, 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 oi. Yeah, here you see the right lanes, also the second one where we're driving now, are disappearing because of the construction work. And we all have to move to the other highway. And that's where I am supposed to go. I need to go there. So that's nice. It looks like after the truck over there around the corner, the traffic is getting better. Because the sign's moving up from 50 to 70 here, and the next one is no track limits. So good news for us.